Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take a general science class for class Junior 1 students. Dear students, our today's topic is chapter 23. Today we will read this chapter and also we will do some exercise of this chapter. Look at here. Our today's topic is chapter 23 and today we will do true, false and questions and answers. And this is lecture number 8 and our today's HW number is 8 number HW. So dear students, let's begin the class. Here is page number 53 of your science book and this is chapter number 23 and the name of this chapter is Workers and Their Tools. Workers and Their Tools. From this chapter we will learn about workers and their tools. Let's see what is written here. Here is written, Toya is a gardener. Look at here, this picture. She is Toya. She is a gardener. She plants flowers and watches them grow. She plants flowers and watches them grow. What type of tools she used? Here is a rake. Look at here, for gardening she used rake, and here is watering can. This one is watering can, and here is shears, and here is spade. Now next picture is here and here is written Jimmy is a tailor. Jimmy is a tailor. Look at here this picture. He is Jimmy. He is a tailor. He cuts cloths and stitches clothes. He cuts clothes and stitches clothes. He is using here is thread, here is measuring tape, and here is some needles, here is scissors, and this one is sewing machine. Next come to here, this page, this is page number 54. Here is written, Jerry is a carpenter. Look at here this picture, she is Jerry and she is a carpenter. She makes chairs and tables from wood. She makes chairs and tables from wood. For this work she need hammer. This one is hammer. And here is screwdriver. This picture is screwdriver. And here is saw. For carpenter these tools need. And next picture here is Jarif is an artist. Look at this picture. He is Jarif. He is an artist. He paints pictures. He paints pictures. For painting, he need, here is brush and here is color palette. This one is some paints, colors. And here is easel. Students, now we will do true false of this chapter. Here is first true false. Here is one number, a tailor plants flowers. This statement is true or false. If the statement is true, then we will write here true, and if the statements will be false, then we will write here false. From this chapter we have come to know a gardener plants flowers, but here is written a tailor plants flowers. That means this statement is false. Then we will write here if, that means false. 2 number, here is an artist paints with brush. An artist paint with brush. Yes, we have come to know that an artist paints with brush. That means this statement is true. 3 number, a carpenter makes chairs. A carpenter makes chairs. Yes, a carpenter makes chairs. This statement is true, and we will write here T. That means true. Now students, we will do questions and answers of this chapter. First question here is, write the name of 2 gardening tools. Write the name of 2 gardening tools. Answer is 2 gardening tools are spade, watering can. Spade and watering can. Spade spelling is S-P-A-D-E, spade, and watering can spelling W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G, watering can, C-A-N, can. 2 number question here is, what does an artist do? Answer is, an artist paints pictures. An artist paints pictures. An artist spelling A-R-T-I-S-T, artist paints, P-A-I-N-T-S, paints pictures, P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. An artist paints pictures. Now students, I will give you HW. Our today's HW number is 8 number. This is 8 number HW, and today's HW will be question and answer. Here is 2 question and answer. This will be your HW, 1 number and 2 number question and answers. So dear students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice it at home and do your SN HW in your HW copy.